In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build powerful APIs with n8n. Understanding how to efficiently create robust and scalable endpoints using n8n's visual workflow capabilities can give you a significant edge in managing and automating your tasks. We'll begin with the initial setup and configuration, ensuring you have a secure and well-structured foundation for your API. The first step in building your API is setting up the API endpoint. We'll kick things off with what is known as a webhook node. Think of this node as your starting point, the gatekeeper for your API. It stands ready, waiting to handle incoming HTTP requests. When using n8n, make sure this webhook node is your entry point because it is specifically designed for interfacing with external applications. Now let's talk about configuration, which is key to how your API will function. With n8n, you have the flexibility to choose the HTTP method you wish to utilize, be it GET, POST, PUT, or DELETE. Each method serves a unique purpose depending on the operation you're trying to perform. GET is typically used for retrieving data, POST is for adding new data, PUT for updating existing data, and DELETE for removing data. The correct choice hinges on what you want your API to achieve. Additionally, it's incredibly important that you consider security right from the get-go. Enabling authentication on your webhook node is optional but highly recommended. You could opt to use basic authentication, which provides a simple mechanism for protecting your endpoints, or choose header-based authentication for a more scalable and flexible approach. This is crucial for managing who can access your API and ensuring that your data is kept secure from unauthorized access. Furthermore, you'll notice when configuring your webhook node, it provides both test and production URLs. This distinction is crucial because it allows you to maintain separate environments for development and live deployment, preventing accidental exposure of unfinished features to end users. The test URL is your sandbox, a safe space for experimenting and fine-tuning your API without impacting the live system. Once everything is polished and ready for the real world, the production URL is what you'll deploy for end-user interaction. Before wrapping up, remember that taking the time to carefully set up and configure your webhook node can save you headaches later on. Paying attention to these details ensures your API is not only powerful, but also reliable and secure. With this setup, you're well on your way to harnessing n8n's capabilities for API building. Stay tuned as we explore more advanced features in future installments of this series. Thank you for watching and happy API building.